Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted 6 stackable Ramekins. These are oven safe. Even the lids can go in the oven. These are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, oven safe, refrigerator safe, all the safes. The lids are great. They pull right off. They are silicone. They are super pliable. So these are very easy to get on. You have an ample size and they are stackable. Look at that. Clear lids make it easy to see what is inside. These make food storage a snap. Let's take a close-up look at these adorable Ramekins with lids. Again, they are 8 ounces. All the safes. Oven safe, microwave safe, refrigerator safe, dishwasher safe. You can even put the lids in the oven too. These are great for baking. They are also great for serving and for storing snacks. I love these lids. I also use these for leftovers. It's great to dole out single portions, and then if someone wants something, they can just grab something out of the refrigerator and they don't have to open it. They know what it is. This keeps food fresher longer. Let's face it, when your kids look at something, they never close the lids. But on this, you don't even have to worry about that. And the lids go on with a snap. So these are easy for kids to put on. These are premium ceramic, safe and durable, and they are so pretty. I really love the look of them. And I love how compact the storage is. These are really, really great. Definitely check these out.